Welcome back to Learn English Free, where we help you excel in your English language journey. Today, I'm excited to share with you an IELTS Writing Task essay that I've written to give you insights and tips on how to structure your own responses. Whether you're preparing for the IELTS or just looking to improve your writing skills, this video is for you. The only way to improve safety on our roads is to give much stricter punishments for driving offences. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Driving on road safely is a major concern as accidents are frequent these days. There is need to address this issue for the purpose of road safety. The measure could be stringent action against those who breach the traffic laws. This way can ensure not only the driver's safety but travellers also. However, opponents consider giving weightage to better infrastructure as well as education can do wonder. To start with the need of strict punishment for the driving offence, the sentence creates fear in the mind of drivers which motivate them to abide by the laws and drive slowly and safely. This makes the drivers more conscious while driving, which can bring benefits to all as the accidents will be less. Most of the people are found guilty of drink and drive, which not only harms them but also to those who confront them, which may result in loss of life. Stricter punishments, such as higher fines, longer prison sentences, or more severe license suspensions, could act as a deterrent for reckless driving. Evidence from countries with strict driving laws, like Sweden, supports the idea that severe consequences can lead to fewer traffic violations and accidents. Thus, implementing harsher punishments could reduce dangerous behavior on the roads. However, some driving offenses are not the result of rash driving or breaking traffic rules. Rather, there may be poor road conditions, inadequate traffic management, and a lack of public awareness about safe driving practices. Additionally, not all driving offenses are intentional, and some may occur due to lack of proper training or awareness, which education could address. So, giving harsh punishment to all may not provide the exact solution of the same issue. There is need of better infrastructure as well as equipment along with the manpower to know the exact reason of traffic problems. In conclusion, I consider that the traffic laws are made for the smooth functioning of the vehicles on the roads as well as for the safety of the public. Therefore, the system must be made better for the betterment of transportation system. A holistic approach that combines punishments with education, better road design, and improved traffic management may be more effective in achieving lasting safety improvements on our roads.